Begin by opening your WordPress website in your browser. When the page appears, focus on its top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on login to begin the process. Once you select login, the website will present you with several login alternatives. Choose the continue with Google option to proceed. At this point, you simply pick the account you wish to log in with, and WordPress will quickly authenticate your credentials. After successfully signing in using your Google account, your next step is to navigate to the Users section. Look carefully for the section labeled Users on your WordPress dashboard. Clicking on this option will open a new page displaying the list of users related to your website. This area not only provides an overview of all people with access, but also serves as the gateway to managing your website's community. Moving forward, after you access the users area, you will need to find the subscribers section. The subscribers region designates those individuals who have signed up or shown interest in your content. By clicking on subscribers, you will see a compilation of all subscribers who have registered on your site. This step is crucial because it helps you understand your website audience before you proceed to share your content. The next task involves the Share Your Site option. Once you have reviewed your user and subscriber panels, locate the option to share your website. Clicking on Share Your Site guides you to a menu that offers various ways to promote your website. This built-in tool is optimized to simplify the process of sharing your content with a wider audience. After selecting Share Your Site, the following step is to tap on the LinkedIn option. This choice allows you to seamlessly share your website directly to your LinkedIn newsfeed. The integration with LinkedIn ensures that your website link is presented with a clear preview and visual components that effectively capture the attention of your professional network. LinkedIn is a platform where professionals engage with content, so this feature is particularly useful for those aiming to enhance their online reputation and network visibility. With your website now shared on LinkedIn, you have successfully connected your WordPress site with a major professional social network. This process is especially efficient because it integrates account authentication and content sharing into one smooth sequence. The WordPress sharing mechanism automatically collects relevant information from your website, such as images and a brief description, ensuring that your post on LinkedIn is both informative and visually appealing. Following these steps helps you quickly boost your online presence. Each phase, from logging in with your Google account to publishing your website link on LinkedIn, is designed for ease of use and clarity. This method is not only straightforward but also effective in promoting your content to a targeted professional audience in only a few minutes. Now you are all set to take advantage of your WordPress account features and share your website with your LinkedIn followers with confidence and simplicity.